Alright guys, I'm inside of Joyland's train caboose. We found it. This was once in the park. Look at all that. And down there, that's the train, that's the roller coaster track. That's a piece of it. Look at this, dude. I want to find something that says it's from Joyland, but it is definitely the right one. What's this? I'm gonna move a little bit fast. Table. This is Joyland's thing. Oh, dang. Closet with wall nets in every corner. This is it. This is actually it. This is insane. This is the break. What do you know? We actually found it. We actually found it. I knew it was it. It genuinely is. I think that says 1637.
I can't tell what that says. A something. S F maybe.
Atchison, Topeka, Santa Fe. Whoa. This is the, I don't know, okay, so this must be what they saved from the park. Like, this must be why the roller coaster station's so damaged. Because they took this out.
Because they basically...
Oh yeah, look over here, it's a lot more clear. ATSF Santa Fe. This is insane though. Whoa, almost fell backward. Careful with that wood though. This is insane to just see. Like, I remember seeing like...
Why isn't this at the, like, train museum is my question. Like,
They're trying to preserve it.
You can see how that's, like, painted like Joyland right there.
Yeah, I think what that is part of the Sky Coaster.
A whole bunch of Boston and stuff.
Oh man, you have no idea. Hey, look at this. This is what you mean when abandoned amusement parks. Joyland itself. We found it, Dad. This is actually the thing. This is the caboose from the park. I don't know what's in there. I don't really want to find out. But I wonder what they used it for. Like, do you think anybody was ever in here?
I think, yeah, I think it was just like kind of sitting there as like a, here kids, and all you do is climb around and screw it. You know, like.
Yeah, so some people might remember.
Rules or reasoning other than like that, you know, because like kids, it's like trains, like here's no train track.
Jeez. Dude, this thing is rotting. Like, that looks cool. This is like a, could this be a sign? No, we're not. So, dude, this is insane though. Hey, look. Doesn't say anything. Looks like it was supposed to though. Anyway. This is so cool.
Huh? I remember now what this is. Like, it took me a second to.
Looks like there was a light here. That's like the smokestack, whatever it was here. I think it was a stove. They took it out.
Yeah, I think more than likely what would have been there would have been a wood burning stove. That's TP used as a heater, you know.
This is interesting. This is okay. Wait, where's that one cabin I saw? I remember seeing one. Where was it? I'm not crazy. Okay, it's right here. This is like a desk.
Yeah.
I don't know if it has anything. Yeah, there's nothing from the actual, no signage. But what is proof is the video of it getting taken away, and the fact that this caboose matches up with the video. And the fact that it has graffiti all over it.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, this is like under seat compartment too.
I know.
What's it look like? Yo, I wouldn't climb out onto the roof.
Nonsense.
Oh, oh no. It's on the roof. I wonder if it says property of Joyland Amusement Park somewhere.
I'm not seeing anything.
The steam tractor did. Somewhere. I don't think the steam tractor would be here though, right? Wow. I don't know. That's probably something they use for the crane. Through the window. Don't want to drop down, but this is Joyland. A little piece of Joyland history. Well, Wichita history. Really, really cool, I must say. Like, dang.